Anyway, this is the first time I've got with Ryan Muir this year, 2025. He's got himself a new tractor since the last time I filmed him. It's CASEiH, not sure what it is at the moment, but I'll find out. He's going to go around once and I'll get set up with all my camera gear and go a bit of a run, see what's happening there. You out at the time, wasn't it?
Yeah, aye.
So they had some teething faults and maybe quite a few, aye.
I better not say anything on that.
No.
Aye, hey, any brand will have.
Well, that's right.
Thing like, it's, I dare say they brought these all kind of deals, they had their problems and John Deere and Holland and all them kind of lot of it.
Yeah.
Same like, but like I say, I'm right impressed with this.
You're not far to go if anything does happen now.
No, like so when it's getting serviced and things, you know, I can just run them to IRC dilution. I can just kind of walk, just kind of 20 minutes home. Next day, next morning, hopefully.
Alright.
Whenever it comes to that way.
So how many hours have you done already then?
250.
Right, so what about the mass of money then when it was went away?
5.5 of the mass.
Aye. You do a lot of work like that.
Well, we're always like doing more and more all the time. We're doing more acres all the time. So
yeah,
this is my office. I'm never
that's the other tractor, aye.
Yeah. So that's what's 240.
So is it 240 horsepower? Is that why it's called it?
Yeah, 240 horsepower and boost up to 270.
Right. Is that more than the Massey, aye?
Yeah. 50. You know, like cows love the fresh grass, so we go up between 2 and 3 hours a day. And
right.
Roughly. 2-3 minutes away from us. Handy. It's not over an hour, maybe 2 hours. In the mornings and grass with them. I say the cows love it.
So plenty of docks in amongst it as well.
Oh,
it's a constant job, isn't it?
Aye, like they're being sprayed again. It's one of them years. I mean, you'll know that the home in my garden, it's the exact same. Like you pull the weeds, you go back up the next day.
Chris, you've got half a tree in the back of the moor here.
Yeah. So you've got the trees. A lot of trees made and then cut back and
yeah, aye.
Go down these narrow lanes and they're all overhanging like. Bit of fibre for the coos and a bit of crunch.
Oh, a bit of crunch, a bit of difference.
Tune or something.
I didn't think you would. I thought the Massey would have been away, like depends if they buy them, lease them, or whatever they do with them.
I'll just buy a bit and like.
Right.
Buy that in there. It's time for now, like, so like you say, we need a spare tractor for the grazer.
So does Ryan not you, Ryan? Chris usually do the grazer.
Yeah. I'd say about 8 out of 10 times. That's his baby. He likes doing that. Likes to look after it. Use it.
You guys look after your tractors anyway. That's for sure.
Here's like maybe my force would be dirty now, but can I try and keep my car nice and clean, some piece.
I see you've got a bit of towel under my feet anyway. Keep it right.
Aye, well, I know I do that. I guess I can slip my boots off. Hey, if you're in these things more than you're at home, then you wouldn't want to live in a shithole at home, would you?
No. Well, most people wouldn't. But.
You can.
So what kind of width for all the 3 mowers?
The triples are 8.5 metres. So taking just shy of that because I always have that wee. I'm not running RTK, so sometimes like if the satellite drifts a wee bit, you can miss a little bit sometimes.
Right.
Running as close to it as I can. Like.
made the right decision not to come in that gate anyway.
Aye, it's a bit damn that gate, isn't it?
Aye.
It's a bloody gate post there, isn't it?
Ah.
Hellish.
Quite handy wee lay-by there just to get everything nicely.
Aye, you get quite a lot of people kind of parks and lay by and like kind of, there's a wee kind of lane down they'll go for a walk with their dogs and things, so quite lucky to get parked near the day.
Uh-huh.
So that's good.
So where are you going after this? Just further along the road?
There's a field across the road here next to the lagoon, and then I'll be farming the back.
Doing that wee road there?
Aye, see that field to the outside of it? Just that one in there to do.
Right.
And then I'm going further down this road here, back down towards Mayben.
Uh-huh.
It's only about half a mile down the road.
Right, right.
There's 2 farms there to do. 3 farms actually, sorry.
At least when that pen thing got us right to where I missed you by a couple of minutes really.
Aye. That's why I said the pink, it's easier as
try to explain things.
I am, like.
I kind of filmed in up that road before, like.
That's right, aye. That year me and Christopher got together.
That's right,
I'll maybe get that other map more sorted up for Christopher before we got there.
And you bought another drone?
Eh?
You bought another drone?
Yeah.
So did we get it to follow you then? I've never managed to work that one out yet.
I've tried that. I've tried doing the follow me mode, but because the tractor, I don't know why, it just doesn't like following the tractor for some reason.
Aye.
So no, we're just gonna put an auto steer and just gonna try and just kind of flips about.
So you're working if you're in here but not on?
Yeah. With the AFS, he's got like open the sunroof. Plonk the drone on the roof.
Alright.
And launch it from there, and then I used to be on land top roof as well, so you can end up tracking things. So I've got to with this a day, like just never.
Aye. I would didn't want any repeat of one of the last times anyway.
Aye, that was a bit unfortunate, that wasn't it?
Well, that's right. It wasn't your fault. I'm still a bit wary when I'm flying them like Ken, but I'm better than I was, but I didn't fly too close to things and that.
What drone have you got now?
The Air 2S, just the same one, but a different one.
Same as like the Mini Pro 4.
Aye. Still got your old what was it?
DJI Fun
4. Aye.
Aye, they're a bloody good drone them. They'll be the ones that last all these newer ones. Have you not been drone much this year or?
A wee bit.
Aye.
Last year the wife wasn't well, so I never got much done really last year.
Right. So, aye, that's priority though, isn't it?
Aye, well that's right.
It's like me, you know, I can have had a really rough couple of years, like.
Aye, I know, your mum dying and that.
Aye. Getting to this year, I've just really kind of kicked myself back in the doing what I like doing again. Like. This is what I like doing, Kenneth.
You like it, so that's good.
So do you like?
I'll get off at this corner and I'll go and see this other guy a wee bit and see what happens. Anyway, I've just been on with Ryan. Another tractor cutting next door, I'll go and see it. So it's a CASEiH 240 AFS, whatever that means. So I'm actually on the DJI Pocket 2 today. So the D Watson, it's the same tractor as Ryan's, pretty much the same mower setup, set of triples. So today we have Ryan Muir and his new CASEiH Puma 240 AFS or something, not so sure, and triple mowers today. And behind me we have Drew Watson, also in pretty much the same tractor and mowers.
Come by the hills to the land where fancy is free, and stand where the peaks meet the sky and the lochs reach the sea, where the rivers run clear, bracken is golden the sun, and cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done. Come by the hills to the land where life is a song, and sing while the birds fill the air with their joy all day long, where the trees sway in time, even the wind sings in tune, and cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done. Come by the hills to the land where legends remain, where glories of old stir the heart and may yet come again, where the past has been lost, the future has still to be won, and cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done. Yes, the cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done.